Hey, how are you? Just a quick one. It's stove time again, and I was thinking about something that I've got written on my website that says that I'm continuously striving to improve the design of my stoves. Well, I just came up with a new idea that I think is going to make a bit of a difference to one of my stoves. Come and have a look. Over here, there's a couple that I'm working on. This one is one of the new design that I'm building that's got a chamber that gets set into the top here, and that whole chamber is a controllable double burn chamber that allows me to control the heat that comes up into the hot plate on the top and divert some of the heat up out of the chimney just for cooling it down if it gets too hot. Perfect for when you're cooking. And this one over here, this is my budget. This is the one that I call Winky Pig. And Winky Pig normally looks more like a pig. Like, I don't have one here at the moment. But Winky Pig normally has a little snout out the front here and has an offset handle that makes him look like he's winking. But this customer wanted one with a window in the door, so I've done that. And she also wanted a cook plate. Now the cook plate on this one has always had just a very small contact area. And so it never gets as hot as the cook plates on the other models, where they're heated directly by the flame. So in order to improve that, I've just made a little hack. And what I've done, before I turn the plate over and show you, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. I've got a infrared camera that shows me where the heat is in an image. And on this particular design, when I cook with it, there's a lot of heat piling out, radiating off these surfaces here and not getting directed into heating the cooking plate. So, quick hack on this one. What I've done is put this little piece around, which will hold the heat in and direct more heat up into the cooking plate. And all I've done is just folded up this piece of strip, 25mm strip, welded it on there like that, and that follows the contour of the bottle. And I'll just weld around here now, and I'm going to end up, or this lady who's just bought this thing is going to end up with a slightly better cooking experience than people have had up till now with Winky Pig. I've been building them for years. Really enjoy doing it. It's only a winter thing. I don't do it all year round. If stoves like this are your thing too, subscribe to the channel. And while you're down there, you could click the like button too. See you later.